So today I'm testing out this paring knife. If you're wanting to know how incredibly sharp this is, let me show you. I've got a pineapple here and I have some apples that I'm going to cut up. Now, what makes this paring knife so much different than all the other ones you see on the market, this is made out of a premium Japanese steel. It's made out of 3 layers, as a matter of fact. And this thing is razor sharp. Razor sharp. You notice right here, it's got this black finish. And why that's so incredibly important, it means that your vegetables, your fruit are less likely to stick to the knife. If you notice that when you're cutting fruits and vegetables, you'll notice a lot of times that the skin or the fruit or vegetable itself will just start to stack up on the knife. That's what that forged finish does, is it helps from your, whatever you're cutting to not be sticking to it. But I mean, this thing obviously has no problem going through the apple I have here. I want to show you the handle itself. You can see it's wood. It's actually got turquoise and ebony here. Very strong. It's got an octagonal handle here. You can see, just makes it really comfortable in your hand. And the handle itself is made out of ruby wood, so it's really durable, very strong. You can see, I believe that's about a 4-inch blade on there. You can even remove the core. But just a really nice sharp paring knife. This is going to last a super long time without dulling because it is made out of all those layers. And let me bring it up close. You're going to notice the end is super pointy and super sharp. This is for like really detailed work. If you're trying to carve things into your fruit or vegetables, that little tip will help do that. Check out how thin I just cut that apple. Just glided right through. It even cut through the core. That is nice and thin. If I wanted to do some detail work, like just cutting out a triangle, let's see. But I just love it. It is super sharp and just goes through any fruits and vegetables. But I also have to show the amazing box that it comes in, which would make this a great gift. I mean, this is a little wooden box. They went through all the work to package this really nice. So this definitely would be a great gift idea. Definitely a great little paring knife here. I would recommend it. Seems really durable, glides really nice. I love the fact that it's got the finish on here, that it's not going to dull out. The handle is super comfortable. So if you're checking this out, I definitely recommend.